Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. So in today's video, I have for you guys this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. You guys, I look so tired today, but I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a pink look today, and I haven't done a pink look in a while, and I just feel like pink looks look so cute and romantic, so I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm going to start off with this light pink shade called Dollface, and that's going to be my transition shade. Now we're going to go right under that with this deeper pink called Risque. Going into the Too Faced Gingerbread palette, I'm going to use this brown shade called Ginger Reindeer Paws. That is so cute. And I'm going to deepen up this look. Now we're going to be cutting the crease. So after you cut your creases, they should look a little like this. They're not perfect, but it's okay. So now going back into the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, we're going to apply Pink Diamond all over the lid. Now we're going to take that pink shade we use as a transition shade, and we're going to apply it right here. We're going to blend it right here. Now I'm going to go in with that deeper pink and the brown I used earlier, and I'm going to deepen out the outer corners. So this is what we're looking like. This is the eye that I deepened up, and this is the eye that I didn't. Alright, so I did do my liner and lashes off camera. My liner came out so-so, but we just gonna ignore that. And these are the Batty Bee lashes in the style Instaho. And now we're gonna go into foundation. So for foundation, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Praline. Now to conceal, I'm using my Tarte Shade Tape in the shade Medium. Now to brighten, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 280. So I did a couple things off camera because I didn't want this video to be super long. So what I did was I contoured and I set my face off camera, and now we're going to finish off the eyes. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. So now I'm going to go under that liner with this deeper pink. Alright, so now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to use this one right here from the Tarte's Pro Glow and Blush palette. That is a mouthful. So for highlighter today, I'm using Rosé on Ice by Fenty Beauty. I do have a review up on this highlighter, so if you guys want to see that, I will link that down below. So for lips today, I'm I'm using the L'Oreal lipstick in the shade 414 I Rule. I'm gonna go over that with this Too Faced lip gloss in the shade All the Stars. So that is it for this Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time.